Hello, time has come to do a makeover of one of my quads. I am also planning to do a Radio Master Boxer antenna mode. This cyan PETG piece will help big way. You're looking at another few TPUs, currently a stock guard for QAVS frame, universal GoPro base mount. In the beginning of this video you saw my new arm guards, which I've designed to accommodate cob light strips inside. And another Session 5 Orange 5 cage. By the way, these are my newest 3D models printed by Fluid Design, an amazing Joel. Even though this is my only bind and fly quadcopter, the only one I did not build myself, Cidora SL5 V2.1 still has a special place in my heart. These white ones are the original old arm guards, Loctite literally melted screw holes. I've designed brand new, much better guards. Again, they can accommodate cob light strips inside. And they look amazing. By the way, they're snap-on. Meaning no screws are touching the TPU, and you're guessing right. It's way easier to tighten those motor screws correctly to the carbon frame. Of course, I've installed cyan cob light strip to this quadcopter. And no, there is zero, absolutely no light pollution going into either one, FPV camera nor action cam. I've uploaded many videos to my channel showing these LED equipped drones in flight. Some even with third person view follow cam. Zero light pollution. Let's see these lights in action now. I like the way light gets diffused through the arm guard TPU, but even better, I left those holes in the sidewalls so the light coming through looks even more intense. Propellers are installed, those LEDs look even better. At these incredible cob lights, this time full setup, props on and with action cam installed. By the way, always remove props when working on the bench. I have controlled environment and security in place, so I keep them on. But seriously, remove the props when working on the bench. And another quick look at these lights. This time recorded with my Android phone camera. This camera deals with intense light much better, so I can show you how it looks like when peeking through these sidewalls holes. I just love it. I can never get enough of this. TPU makes it even nicer. Hope you find this interesting too. Thanks for watching.